Hello and welcome to Wise First. Today we will compare two cutting-edge AI art technologies, Dall-E 2 and Midjourney. Dall-E 2 was created by OpenAI, the same lab that created ChatGPT. Ease of use. What makes Dall-E 2 interesting is that it has an API that allows developers to integrate it into their apps. This could make Dall-E 2 a huge success. Midjourney is also popular but can be intimidating for beginners due to its chat and comment features. In contrast, Dall-E 2 is user-friendly with a simple text field and collection. Dall-E 2 is simple to use. You input text into the text field and it generates an image. You can edit the image by selecting an image, deleting unwanted parts, adding text, and adjusting the image size. In contrast, Midjourney requires users to use comments to generate an image, making it more complicated than Dall-E 2. Midjourney does not have the edit tool that Dall-E 2 provides, which can be really useful. Price. Regarding pricing, Midjourney provides 25 free images as a trial, but after that, you must purchase one of its 3 plans. Dall-E 2 gives 50 free credits, and after that you can buy more credits as needed. One credit costs 13 cents and there is no subscription. Therefore, you only pay for what you use. Let's compare prices for 200 images per month. With Midjourney, you need to purchase the basic plan, which costs $10 per month or $8 per month for a year. With Dall-E 2, you need to purchase 230 credits, which would cost you $30 per month. Therefore, Dall-E 2 is more expensive than Midjourney. Quality. Let's compare the quality of work by generating an image. The prompt is a charcuterie board filled with various dog treats on a table in a garden. We will generate this image with both Dall-E 2 and Midjourney. And that's it. We have generated 2 images, one with Dall-E 2 and one with Midjourney. Let's take a look at the results. First, the image generated by Dall-E. Wow, this is really impressive. The details of the charcuterie board look amazing and are just as we requested. And the image has a very realistic and high quality feel to it. However, there is a dog in the picture. It is really hard to tell that this image was generated by an AI. Now, let's take a look at the image generated by Midjourney. Well, there's a dog in front of the charcuterie board. The image is of the same high quality as the one generated by Dall-E 2. The colors look natural and the overall feel of the image is realistic. However, the image looks like it was taken from a Fujifilm. Overall, both Dall-E and Midjourney have their strengths and weaknesses. Dall-E is more expensive and has a steeper learning curve, but it also provides higher quality images and more editing options. Midjourney, on the other hand, is more affordable and easier to use, but the image quality is same as Dall-E 2. Which one you choose really depends on your specific needs and budget. That's it for this comparison video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.